In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix critical error your start menu isn't working on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type appwiz.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Click on view installed updates on the left pane. So what we can do is we need to uninstall the recent updates from our Windows. So if you have more than one updates or installed updates on your Windows, just simply click on the uninstall button and click on the uninstall button once again. Now after you have uninstalled the update, do not forget to restart your Windows because that is required for you. So once you have uninstalled the update, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. The next thing that we need to do is right click at the start button and select run. Now simply type RSTRUI, click on OK, and that will open the System Restore window. Click on Next and simply choose the restore point or the date as to where you are not facing the error. Again, simply choose the date as to where you are not facing the error and click on Next. And then you have to click on Finish and wait for the process to be done. So that's it. Those are the ways on how you can fix the issue, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.